Hi everyone, welcome back to Made Easy for Kids. In the previous video, we learned how to add two-digit numbers. Check that video out if you haven't already. And make sure to try out the practice problems on your own first. Both the links are in the description box and on our website. Remember, you can ask your parents to print out the 1 to 12 addition table on our website since it can be very helpful. Today, we will be going through the practice problems for adding two digits and working through each question. Do you have your worksheet ready? Let's start. Let's start with the first part. The worksheet tells us to complete the following questions. The question tells us to do 15 plus 13. Let's write it out vertically so it's easy to solve. The right column is the ones place and the left column is the tens place. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. Once we've written it out like this, we can first add the ones. Think about it. What's 5 plus 3? That's right. It's 8. Let's write this down. Now, let's add the tens. We have to do 1 plus 1, which is 2. We can write that down. Now, we've solved this and can see 15 plus 13 is equal to 28. The next question is 24 plus 10. Let's also write this down vertically. 24 has 2 tens and 4 ones. 10 is just 1 10. Let's first add the ones. We have 4 from 24 plus nothing from 10. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Let's write that down. For the tens place, we have 2 from 24 and 1 from 10. So what is 2 plus 1? That's right, it's 3. We can write 3 down. 24 plus 10 is 34. The third question is 11 plus 11. We have to start with the right column, which is the ones place. 1 plus 1 is 2, which we can write down. Next, 1 plus 1 again for the tens column. That is also 2, so we can write 2 again. This means that 11 plus 11 is 22. The next question is 34 plus 17. I'm going to be drawing this question out with the stacks and the cubes again because it is a bit difficult. 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones. So in the ones place, we have to add 4 from 34 with 7 from 17, which becomes 11. 11 is more than 10, so it has 1 10 and 1 1 in it. Now we have to take the 1 from 11 and put it in the ones place, and then put a little 1 next to the tens place to remind us that there's an extra 1 that has to be added. Now for tens, we can take the 3 from 34 and add it with 1 from 17. This leaves us with 4, but let's not forget about the extra 10. We can add that, and 4 plus 1 is 5. We can write 5 down. 34 plus 17 is 51. Next, we have 14 plus 29. Starting with the ones place, we can do 4 plus 9. This gives us 13. And let's remember 13 is made up of 1 10 and 3 ones. So we can write down the 3 in the ones column. Now, onto the tens. 1 plus 2 is 3. But let's not forget about that extra 10 from 13, which leaves us with 3 plus 1, which is 4. We can write 4 down. 14 plus 29 is equal to 43. Next, we have 25 plus 14. Starting with the ones place, we have to do 5 plus 4. This leaves us with 9. We can write down 9 in the ones column. Then we can do the tens place, which is 2 plus 1. This leaves us with 3. We can write down 3. So 25 plus 14 is equal to 39. Now the seventh question, 28 plus 43. We can start with the ones column and do 8 plus 3, which is 11. Remember, 11 is made up of 1 10 and 1 1. Let's put a 1 in the ones column and also 1 in the tens column to remind us to add 1 extra. Now for the tens, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, but let's add an extra 1, which leaves us at 7. So 28 plus 43 is equal to 71. Now we can start doing the word problems. The first question says, on Amy's first bookshelf, she is able to store 32 books. On the second bookshelf, she is able to store 38 books. How many books in total is Amy able to store on her bookshelf? To find the total, we have to add both numbers, which is 32 plus 38. For the ones column, we have to do 2 plus 8, which gives us 10. 10 has no ones, so we can put down 0 in the ones place. We should also put a 1 in the tens place to remind us. We can do 3 plus 3, which gives us 6, but let's not forget the extra 10. If we add that, 6 plus 1 is 7, so we can put down a 7. Amy is able to store 70 books in total on her bookshelf. The second question says, in the first month, they bought 11 boxes of cereal from the supermarket. In the second month, they bought 16 boxes of cereal. How many boxes of cereal do they have in total? We can start off by doing 1 plus 6, which leaves us with 7. We can write that down. Next, we can do 1 plus 1, which leaves us with 2. There are 27 boxes of cereal in total. And now our last question. 56 people came into the store on Monday. On Tuesday, 34 people came into the store. How many people went into the store on Monday and Tuesday? We can start off by doing 6 plus 4, which leaves us with 10. 0 goes in the ones place and we put a 1 in the tens place. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And we add an extra 1 for the carried over 1, which is 8 plus 1, which is 9. 90 people went into the store on Monday and Tuesday. And that's it. You've made it to the end. Make sure to do the second worksheet on this topic. It will be linked in the description box below. Remember to check our website for more free practice, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We upload every Saturday. Make sure to follow us on our Facebook and on our Instagram for more tips and tricks on how to improve your math skills. Everything is linked below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.